Welcome student. Now today we discuss previous 2 or 3 videos in algebra. We discuss the like term, unlike term, okay, and other things. This is the different types of expression, algebraic expression. Now today I discuss about the polynomial. What do you mean by the polynomial? So here I write down all these things. Just I discuss, just you understand properly in which way I just discuss it. What do you mean by the polynomial? Actually, the definition is polynomials and algebraic expression. You know this is an algebraic expression. Suppose, so this is an algebraic expression 3x plus 7. It's an algebraic expression. You know already. Now, an algebraic expression is called a polynomial. That means this one is called a polynomial if the power of the variables, you know this is the variables, this x is the variable, the power of the variables involved in it, that means it's in the each term, that means here is a 3x plus 2y plus 7c. So these are all the variables, and each term means is the first term, second term, third term. Each and every term, in each term are non-negative integer. So what do you mean by the non-negative integer? That means here is the power of x is that is 1, that is also 1. If you write here is 2, here is 3. The power of these variables x, y, c is always the positive, not to be negative. If this is negative, that means 3 by x. That actually 3 by x plus 7. This the power of x is negative, so it's not the polynomial. This is the very important thing, just to understand. First one you take this is an algebraic expression. You know, suppose 3x plus 2y plus 7c square. 3x plus 2y square is. So what is the variable? X, y, c is the variable. Okay, no problem. Now, is it a polynomial? Yes, because the power of this is always positive. It's a polynomial. But this is not a polynomial. Why? The power of x is 3 by x. That means actually 3 into x to the power minus 1, you know, in case of exponent. So power of x is negative. So it's not the polynomial. So which one is polynomial? It is clear to you? আমি তোমাদের কি বলছি? If একটা algebraic expression, suppose algebraic expression, this one is এটা হচ্ছে algebraic expression. এর পাওয়ারটা অলওয়েজ পজিটিভ. এটা যদি 3 by x, এই পাওয়ারটা নেগেটিভ বিকজ দ্য ডাউন পার্ট. So that is actually 3 into x to the power minus 1. এই যে পাওয়ারটা নেগেটিভ হয়ে যায়, for that reason is not a polynomial. Okay, it's a polynomial. That is very clear to you. তারপর আমরা অন্যান্য জিনিসগুলো আসবো. That is very clear to you. What do you mean by the polynomials? Just you check. Always তোমরা চেক করবে an algebraic expression, তার ভ্যারিয়েবলগুলো দেখবে, ভ্যারিয়েবলগুলোর পাওয়ারগুলো দেখবে. পাওয়ারটা যদি নেগেটিভ হয়ে যায়, is not a polynomial. First thing is this, okay? No problem. Non-negative integer. Now, suppose here is I write down here a 3x. Here is a 1, x is a variable, here is 1 variable. Is a 1 variable. And the power is 1. So it's a polynomial. It's called the monoterms. One terms is there, only one. You know the terms, plus and minus, for that is, you just segregate plus and minus to develop the term. Here is only one variable in literal part. Literal part means this part is one variable. So this one first one variable, this one is the polynomial because the variable part is x is the power is 1. Okay, now here is 7 minus 3x. First one is an algebraic expression. This is the two term, this is the first term, this is the second term, no problem at all. Now what is the literal part? This is x, and what is the power of x is 1. So it's not the negative, so it's a polynomial, first one. Now x, the power of x is 1, and one thing is that the power of x is 1, the highest power, x is 1 here, so is the degree is 1 also. 7 minus 3x. তাহলে আমরা তিনটে জিনিস শিখছি. First one, this is an algebraic expression. This is the two term because 7 minus 3x is the two terms of there. Is it a polynomial? Because polynomial means the literal part. Suppose this is the literal part is 1 x, so x part power is positive. Actually 3x means 3x to the power 1. The power of x is 1. And What is the degree? Degree is the highest power. Here is the only one power, so degree is 1. Okay, so this is the two terms. So two terms you say binomials. Two terms means the binomials. Two terms in case one term means the mono. Two terms means bio. Very easy, just to understand properly. The basic thing must be clear in case of algebra. Okay, now clear? Here is, you know, these are first three terms. 5t square minus 2 by 3t plus 8. So plus minus দিয়ে আমরা টার্মটাকে সেপারেট করতে পারি। Plus and minus, you know, in case of multiply, this is 3xy. So this is actually the one term. Or 3xy by z, this also a one term, because in case of multiply division, that is not separate the term. Separate the term only plus and minus. Okay, so that is first understand properly. এটাকে কিন্তু ভালো করে তোমরা বুঝো। Clear? So this is the তিনটে term. First term, second term, third term. Okay, now is the three terms. Three terms mean trinomials, but is the polynomials. In the polynomials, so literal part, here is t, here is t square. There is no negative, so this is a t square, that is actually 1. So power is always the, here is the power is the positive, so is the polynomial. No problem at all. Now what is the highest power of t? T highest power is 2. So what is highest power? 2. So degree is 2. Degree means the highest power of the variables. Only t. So highest power of t is 2. So degree is 2. No problem. Clear. Now here is 9x to the power 6 minus 3x square plus 4x. This is the fourth term. 1, 2, 3, fourth term. So fourth term actually called the multinomials. And what is the variable x? X is the variable only one. So x is the variable. For that reason we say this is the one variable. One variable. Only x is there, one variable. Now the power of x is, this is 1, this is 2, this is 6. All are positive. So is the polynomial. Okay, no problem for the x. Definition is a polynomial. Now what is the highest power? 6. So degree is 6. No problem at all. So this is the basic concept of the polynomial, basic concepts of the terms, which one we say the polynomial, which one is not, and the degree and the terms. One single term mono, two terms bi, three terms tri, and this. Now here is 5x square minus 3 by x plus 6. It's a polynomial. No, because not polynomial. Why? Because a term of this 3 by x. Here I write 3 by x, or I write in this, so in case of the exponents 3 into x to the power, these are lower parts, so x to the power minus 1. So power is minus 1. What is the definition? The power of the variable involved in each term, non-negative integer. So here is negative, so is that not a polynomials. It's not a polynomial. Power is negative. That is very important. Be careful. তোমরা এটা ভালো করে মনে রাখো, টার্ম যাই হোক না কেন, তার যে ভ্যারিয়েবল এক্স ওয়াই জেড, এর পাওয়ারটা কি দেখতে হবে। পাওয়ারটা যদি নেগেটিভ হয়ে যায় এনি যে কোনো একটা টার্মে, এটাতেও হতে পারতো, আমি যদি এটাই ফার্স্ট লিখতাম 5 বাই এক্স স্কোয়ার মাইনাস 3x প্লাস 6, এটাও কিন্তু পাওয়ারটা নেগেটিভ হয়ে যাচ্ছে, বিকজ দ্য ডাউন পার্ট অ্যাকচুয়ালি 5 মিন 5 ইন্টু এক্স টু দি পাওয়ার মাইনাস 2. সো দিস অলসো নট এ পলিনোমিয়ালস. ক্লিয়ার? এই কনসেপ্টটা ক্লিয়ার রাখতে হবে, ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট থিং. These are all the one variable. All is here x, or this is t. Okay. Now we discuss two variable. Two variable means, here is I write two or more variable. Suppose the one is 8x cube y square minus 5x square y cube. These are the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. First term, fifth terms. Now two variables y. X is a variable, y is a variable. Okay, two variables. Why? This called the two variables. Why? X is a variable, y also a variable. Okay, so is the 5 terms up there. This is a polynomial. Yes, is a polynomial, because no here is no is the negative part. Literal part, the power of the literal part is not negative here. Here is 3, here is 2, here is 2, here is 3. Here is this means 1. There is 3, there is 1, 1, and here is actually 1 by 5. That means you write in the x to the power 0. No problem. Or y to the power 0. No problem. So there is all the variables x and y, two variables. The power of the variables is always positive. So it's a polynomial. First one. And what is the term? First, second, third, fourth, fifth term. So it's called the multinomials. Now, two variables, why? Because x is there, y is there. Now, each and every term you calculate, each and every term. What is the total power? 3 plus 2, 5. In case this one, 3 plus 2, 5. Separately, here is 3 plus 2, 5. Here is 3 plus 1, 4. Total power. Here is 1 plus 1, 2. Here is 0. So, what is the highest power? 5. Say here or here. So, highest power is 5. So, degree is 5. It's clear? Degree is 5. Here is 5. Here is also 5. So, each and every term you calculate the power. This is 5. This is 5. This is 4. 3 plus 1, 4. 1 plus 1, 2. This is 0. So, what is the highest power? 5. So, degree is 5. First one, it is a polynomial because there is no negative power in variable part. Two variables because x and y is there. Two variables. Terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Multi terms are there. Okay. And what is the highest power of the each and every term? Here is 5 is the highest total power. Here is 5. Here is 4. Here is 2. Here is 0. So highest power each and every term. This is 5. This is 5. So highest power is 5. Now here is three variables 5a, 3abc, 7 by 2 ab square this. So these are three variables are there. Highest three variables a, b, c separately three variables are there. ABC, you write here ABC, ABC. Three variables. No problem. ABC cube is okay. Three variables. Each and here is you write ABC. No problem. 3 ABC. A square. Here is A square B. C cube O. Same. Here is ABC. Here is A square BC. Here is A B square CB. Okay, there is 0. So this power is a to the power 0, b to the power 0. So now here the variable part is ABC. Now what is the highest power? Here is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. Here is 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So this is for 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4. Here is 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4. Here is 3 plus 1 plus 1. 3 plus 1 plus 1. 3 plus 1, 4, 5. 5. So the highest power here is right 5. Okay. So degree is 5. I just change it. So this is a polynomial. Yes. Each and every literal part is the positive power. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 multi-terms. Okay. No problem. And what is the power? Here is ABC. Three variables. The power is 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 power. Here is total power in each term. 2 plus 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Here is 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. But here is 3 plus 1 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 4, 5. So the highest power is 5, so degree is 5. No problem at all. Clear? So this is a basic concept. Okay. Now the separate thing, one thing I write here, suppose 3x plus 7 is the one variable, two terms, but one variable. In general, you just learn this or remember this. In general, one variable is called the linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. One variable, two variable, three variable terms are there. Okay. So this is now for today. Next day I discuss other things of the algebra, addition, subtraction. You know already this thing. So if you just understand this, please share and like the channel. Okay. Thank you, student. Thank you.